there you can see a bit of decoration. We had flag hoisting ceremony in the morning in our building, and now we are heading towards our car. We are going to the cake shop to bring our anniversary cake. And that's my loving husband driving us to the cake shop, and on the other seat that's our pretty intelligent friend Anirudh. So here we go, let's bring our anniversary cake. Finally, we have reached. Now let's go inside and check out our cake.
This is a normal chocolate truffle cake with buttercream and nuts and red drip with some white natural flowers to finish after. Yeah.
Thank you. Woohoo! And that's our lovely, attractive anniversary cake. I just loved that red drip, and it looks yummy. Okay, finally we have received our cake. Now it's time to go back to our sweet home. So let's go. Now let me just help my husband. So I'll open the door, and while my husband is taking care of the cake, Anirudh is going to drive us back home. फाइनली हम घर वापस आ गए, और अब आगे देखिए आगे की प्रिपरेशंस फॉर माय वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी. Okay, so I thought of doing something short and sweet for my anniversary, and I have just decorated a wall. Like आप बस देखिए एक बार और बताइए मुझे कि कैसा लगा. Just come with me. I have used some glittering sheets as usual. I have just grabbed from my drawer, and यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ heart shapes यहाँ पे cut किए हैं. और I have pasted all this on ribbons, like white ribbons, orange ribbons. These I have used from my Independence Day craft. Yeah, and you can see this photograph, and this is pasted on a black chart paper, the thick ones, and I have cut it with those craft scissors. वो डिजाइन वाले आते हैं कुछ, तो मैंने उनसे कट किया है इन्हें. और यहाँ मैंने थोड़े छोटे छोटे रोज पेस्ट किए हैं. That I have made with crepe papers. And next, okay, here I have written this happy anniversary with some acrylic color, black and red. Then I have pasted these sheets on a jute thread. Then on top of it, you can see a photo frame. This I have made with a cardboard and some Play-Doh I have used. And this is our picture. And at the top of this, I have used 3 red balloons. I love balloons actually. And here I have used this jute thread, and I have covered it with red ribbons. And so yeah, this is all. This is my sweet, short, beautiful, colorful decoration for my anniversary. Now we will move to our table. What I have done on my table, just come and watch. And that's our lovely buttercream truffle cake with trip over it, and hazelnut crunchy flavor, and that's me and my cute hubby Arindam. And here we have a knife. We are going to cut our cake with this knife, which I have decorated with some ribbons and hearts. And there behind the cake you can see that flag hoisting craft which I have made in my Independence Day video, as you have already seen. So as our anniversary is on 15th August, so we are going to celebrate both the occasions together. So this is how we are going to celebrate our anniversary. We have already done a little bit of decoration, then we are going to cut our anniversary cake, and finally we have ordered some pizza, so we'll have pizza party, and some of my friends will also join us. So I'm just waiting for them. Tab tak ke liye, I just want my husband to say something to my viewers.
Hey, I hope all of you are doing great, and I must thank Polly for coming up with this lovely piece of work. It has indeed made the evening special, and I know we can't celebrate it in a big way today because of whatever is going on with coronavirus, and to an extent we have to take care of ourselves and at the same time balance our celebrations. So I wish all of you a very safe stay at your home, and keep following us, keep liking our channel.
And are you going to sing a song for me today?
Yes.
Okay.
Still in the process of finalizing.
Okay friends, तो मैं तो जा रही हूँ अपने लिए गाना सुनने. Okay, so my friends have come, I have to go, so bye bye.